What's good, family? Today I got a spring summer pickup haul for y'all. From accessories to sneakers, clothing pickups y'all might have seen. I got some Yeezy pods in here, off-white, courtesy of the sponsor of today's video, Kickscrew, which we will get into in a little bit. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Get this to over 150 likes for more content like this. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world if y'all subbed up. Comment that you're a new sub so I could welcome y'all to the family. But all that being said, we got a lot of pickups to go through, so let's get to it. First things first, we got two Supreme tees that I picked up from this season. I haven't really been buying too much Supreme, but when I saw they were dropping this Futura box logo tee, I thought it was pretty sick, so I decided to go for it. This is gonna be a frequent flyer this summer. I just love the simplicity of it. Has something on the back and on the front. Clean tee for summertime. Let me know if y'all rocking with the Supreme Futura. Second tee I grabbed from Supreme this season was the Maradona photo tee with the little box logo on the side. Another clean pickup. I don't know how hot this one's gonna be this summer, but I just thought it was a clean graphic, so I decided to scoop it up. There's a couple more Supreme pickups. I'm gonna show y'all those a little later though. Second up, we actually got a pair of sneakers that comes in this Jordan 7, 8, 9, 10 box. Size 10 for this pair, and I actually ordered these early, but they never got to me, so video is non-existent on the channel. Jordan 9 powder blues. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the review for this one. Still a shoe I plan to wear this summer. Beautiful sneaker. A lot of people had gripes that it didn't have the 2-3 on the back. Air Jordan on the tongue. I really wish I would have dropped the review for these, but it is what it is. Jordan on the bottom. If y'all still are interested in a video for them, let me know in the comments. Is this a sneaker that you ended up buying? I think it's a perfect summer sneaker, predominantly white, little baby blue on it for that nice sky kind of vibe. I love that baby blue trim on the leather. That's probably one of my favorite parts on this sneaker. I love the fact that we're getting the Jordan 9 olives this year as well. Hella underrated in my opinion. I love these. But yeah, powder blue 9s did get picked up. I just couldn't show y'all them on the channel, but here they are. Bing. Next pickup is actually a pair of sunglasses from Prada. Shout out to Bae for this one right here. She got me these actually a few months back at this point, but I can't really wear them because there's not much sun out. About to be summertime, so I'm not tripping. Prada on the side. This is the less aggressive frame. They do have a more bulky version, but I do like these a little bit more. White on the inside. Super clean pair of shades. Let me know if y'all freaking with these. I think these are hard for summertime. I kind of like the way that the boxiness works for these glasses. It just gives me a fire vibe. Prada sunglasses are in the chat. Let me know if y'all freaking with these. I think you just can't go wrong with a pair of Prada sunglasses. These are gonna be an essential for me this summer. I know this is my spring summer pickups, but I gotta let y'all know that I recently started collecting Funko Pops. These are some of my favorites. I got Yugi from Yu-Gi-Oh, one of my favorite characters all time. Come on, bro. If y'all were around for this era, you know this is legendary right here. Plus, if y'all want the smoke in Yu-Gi-Oh, bruh, none of these new cards, none of that new bullshit that they probably got going on. OG, I still got my deck from when I was a kid. I got 3 more that I want to show y'all. One of them being my favorite video game character, Sora from Kingdom Hearts. Debatably my favorite video game all time. I love Disney. I literally go there every year with my girl, and the fact that they incorporated it into a game is iconic to me. We do got Goku on the flying Nimbus. Shout out to Bae for this one. Another fire Funko. I hope one day I can actually display these. I'm just getting the main characters or some of my favorite characters like Luffy from One Piece. I was actually hunting this one for a little minute. I like walking into the store and if they got it type shit. Real quick, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, Kickscrew. They sent me debatably one of the best off-white Jordans. Kickscrew is a marketplace where you could buy authenticated sneakers at really good prices. I would highly recommend checking them out. This pair right here was at the best price I ever seen it at on Kickscrew, so I had to pick this one up. Transparent box, if you know you know type vibes. Here we got the Jordan 2 off-white size 10. There was 2 colorways for these. The one inside this box has to be the best one. Opening them up, I'm gonna waste no time. They do come with the original paper and Ziploc bags for each shoe. Kickscrew actually takes their time authenticating these sneakers. Once they pass the legit check, they put their tags on each sneaker, QR code to verify the authenticity, tag on the other shoe as well. Very beautiful sneaker. You got that Michael Jordan signature on the side. I love what they did on the midsole for this pair. If you haven't heard the story before, Virgil basically took an OG Jordan 2 that was crumbling, put it in a 3D scan, and made the mold for this shoe. As you can see, they do have cracks on the outsole. There's almost like a resin filling in all the gaps. Fire shoe. It's a little bit heavier than your traditional Jordan 2, but I'll take it just because of the design and aesthetic on the shoe. You got that exposed foam. They come with black laces, but honestly, I would swap it for the cream. I just think it looks super clean. And you get these sun-dyed red laces. From all the different places you could buy sneakers, I highly recommend Kickscrew. They have great prices. They ship fast. So make sure you check out Kickscrew. I'm gonna link them at the top of the description. If you do end up copying something, comment down below. That way they can see that y'all rocking with the channel. Shout out to Kickscrew for sending me the Jordan 2 off-whites. I love these right here. There was another colorway as well, but this definitely has to be the better one from the two. This package from Yeezy actually took months. So I'm trying to see what these are looking like. We got 2 pieces, nothing too crazy. I really hope this shit fits me, bro. I've seen a lot of memes out there when it comes to these pieces. Let's see the tee first. If y'all been seeing the internet, bro, you already know this shit right here is a pillowcase. My shit low-key got some sleeves, bro. It low-key has some sleeves, bro. I got the Vultures tee with the logo on the front, big ass Vultures logo on the back. If y'all want to see a full review for this and the pods, comment that down below, cause bro, this is a size 3. I'm bugging. I'm fucking bugging. I thought these shits were gonna fit like regular. This shit is huge, bro. Bro, I see why Kai was tripping, son. What the is this? No neck, bro. Is that as a front and a back? Stitched it all the way down. Pretty sure that's why they can make it $20. This is what we really here for. Size 2. I didn't pay the $200, so mine should be made in China, or it shouldn't say nothing at all. Yup, they do not say made in Italy. These are the new batch. I don't know what the like, I don't even know what to think. Yeezy pods are here, fam. Samurai joints have officially entered the chat. I don't even know what I would wear these with. Like, would I wear these out? I don't know, son. This is a size 2 compared to a size 9 Yeezy slide. Pretty accurate, bro. It's pretty accurate. From what I've heard, this is way more comfortable than any of the other sock sneakers, simply because it has this gap in between, which lets your foot kind of move around and adjust. It's like a free-flowing sneaker. I'll try to get a little bit of footage with me actually wearing them and put it right here. I'm excited to see what goes on with these. I might wear them, may not. I definitely think you gotta wear these with pants, bro. Like, if you out here wearing these with shorts, you're bugging. I'm not gonna lie, you're fucking tweaking. This is like a high top sock with a little bit of rubber on the bottom. That's really it. But yeah, we got these too. I had to do it. Let me know if you caught the Yeezy pods. These next few pickups you guys have seen, so I'm gonna fly through them. We got the Supreme Margiela box logo. This is actually one of my favorite pieces Supreme has done in a minute. I love when they do these high-end designer collaborations with Supreme, especially when they don't overdo it. Foil on this, a lot of people could either like or not like. It's something different. I actually enjoy it. I'm excited to rock this. Might throw a fit together with it soon. We gonna have to see. I also did pick up the Supreme Futura crew neck from the beginning of the season, and I actually wore this for Mother's Day. Beautiful piece with that all over design. This one turned me out, bro. No diddy. I might start buying more knitted crew necks because of this right here. I love the way it fits. I've never had a knitted crew neck from Supreme, and the thickness, flowiness, I love this piece right here. We got 3 more pieces to go over. One of them being a fitted. Ever since I got these fitteds from Felicity Worldwide, I haven't stopped wearing them, bro. If y'all see my videos, you see what I really be wearing. They sent me the first 2 hats, and I actually ended up buying this hat. That's how y'all know I'm really rocking with the brand. We got the brown white socks fitted with the graduation bear on the side, album art right here, Felicity on the back, pink suede underbrim, and it brings the graduation bear pin. This shit is fire, bro. Probably my favorite fitted that I own. I love that graduation hit. I ain't even know it had the pink suede underbrim. That's nasty. Yeah, bro, this shit is cold. So hard. Shout out to Felicity, bro. They doing a thing. Alright, y'all, I'm about to fly through these next pieces because my camera about to die. These last 3 pieces I actually got from Culture Kings. Shout out to them for sending these out. 2 pairs of Subi denim, which I'm actually doing a full review on, coming real real soon. First up is the Chich denim. I've been rocking these a little bit too much. Subi flag on the back, stitching right here, and the crosses behind the leg. Essential pair of blue denim. They got a little bit of rips, but nothing too crazy, which is kind of what I was going for with this pair. I wanted to be able to wear them all year round without being too cold. And that's exactly what I've been doing. I love these right here. These became my essential, and it made me want to buy more Subis. Second pair is the all black joints. These do also have the flag on the back, Subi right here, and they don't have any rips, nothing like that. Just a simple pair of black skinnies that you could rock with anything. That's exactly what I needed. I love finding brands like this where I could go shop and I know I'm getting a good deal and I'm getting some heat. Can't go wrong. Last pickup we got is actually a pair of Asics. My first pair of Asics. Shout out to Culture Kings, bro. They hooked it up for real. This is the Gel 1130s. It's a new color, new silhouette. I've never had a pair of sneakers in this color. I've tried these on feet and they're hella cozy. I know these almost look like dad sneakers. That's what's in right now. I'm trying to get into the whole Asics vibe. I'm excited, bro. I want to see what these look like on feet. I'm gonna try these on real soon and see if I could put a fit together. I feel like for summer, this color is literally perfect. I could wear it with some cream shorts, throw a nice little fit together, and y'all might be seeing more Asics on the channel coming soon. I'm low-key debating on copping the Hidden and Y Asics because those are just too clean, but my first pair of Asics have entered the chat, and that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Let's see if we could get this to over 150 likes. I know y'all can make that happen. For me, it's hella easy, bro. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30,000 subscribers, and with your help, we could get there ASAP. Make sure you check out one of these two videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Don't forget to check out Kickscrew because they definitely got a lot of heat over there at great prices. But all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these two videos. Peace.